And they're up. Sweet na sweet. Draws for your lead. Devil in Disguise. Banknet running by the rail, racing in fourth on the outside, getting personal. Sunday Street, and trailing the group is Maricor's Charm. About to pass the last 900. Two runners are now fighting it out for the lead. Banknet takes the lead by the rail. Sweet na sweet fighting back on the outside. Running now in third is Sunday Street. Devil in Disguise getting personal. And a long way back to Maricor's Charm. About to pass the last 600. Sweet na sweet now takes command by about a length and a half. Running in second on the outside. Devil in Disguise. Sunday Street is by the rail fourth. Then followed over by Getting Personal. Banknet now second last. And Maricor's Charm still trailing the group as they turn for home. Sweet na sweet by about 5 lengths now. Devil in Disguise is in second. Moving up on the outside is Getting Personal. With the last 150 more to run. Sweet na sweet over Devil in Disguise. And finally at the finish line, it's going to be Sweet na sweet. Devil in Disguise, Getting Personal, Maricor's Charm, Banknet, and Sunday Street comes in last with Jackie Ralph Alcantara.